Welcome to National Welding and Industrial Supplies. We're thrilled to have you with us.
Introducing BT Weld welding machines, the perfect blend of power, precision, and performance for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're tackling industrial projects or delicate repairs, BT Weld offers a range of cutting-edge welding machines designed to meet all your needs.
Take advantage of our free demonstrations before purchasing and benefit from complimentary training after your purchase to help you get the best performance from your equipment.
Our key offerings: wide range of welding machines and equipments, industrial supplies from safety gear to consumables, expert advice by our experienced team. We also offer reliable repair and maintenance services to keep your machines in top condition.
At National Welding and Industrial Supplies, we pride ourselves on delivering high-quality products and exceptional service. Trust us for all your welding and industrial supply requirements.
Have questions? Call us today at 02960452222 or visit our website at www.nationalwelding.com.eu for further details.